this wonderful evening. Today, with the blessings of the Almighty, their parents and their Guru, Sri Udyogamandal Vikraman Pillai, Kumari Anugraha Shankara Narayanan, Kumari Aditi Gupta, Kumari Bhumi Burade, and Kumari Shruti Bhatt is going to stage their Arangetram. Bharatanatyam is one of the oldest classical dance forms of India that originated in the southern state of Tamil Nadu. Like most other Indian dance forms, it is a blend of nritta, the rhythmic elements, nritya, the combination of rhythm with expression, and natya, the dramatic element. Bharatanatyam is also an acronym for bhava, that is expression, raga, melody, and tala, rhythm. The dance themes are usually devotional or based on Hindu mythology, and the music is in classical Carnatic style. Arangetram is a key milestone in a dancer's training. It literally means to accent the stage. The dancer completes basic training and is presented to the audience by the teacher. She performs her first solo margam or full Bharatanatyam repertoire. This effectively states that she is now not merely an amateur but a budding professional. Today, we proudly present before you four wonderful dancers, Kumari Anugraha Shankara Narayanan, Kumari Aditi Gupta, Kumari Bhumi Burade, and Kumari Shruti Bhatt. Let me introduce them one by one. Kumari Anugraha Shankara Narayanan, she is a daughter of Mrs. Kanagavalli and Mr. S. Shankara Narayanan. She is a 4th standard student of D.Y. Patil International School, Nerul. Anugraha started learning Bharatanatyam at the age of 6 under Guru Sri Udyogamandal Vikraman Pillai. She is also learning Carnatic music, drawing, slokas, and she attends Chinmaya Bal Vihar classes. In sports, she skates. She also plays badminton, squash, and chess. Anugraha has also participated in several stage programs presented by her guru. As a hobby, Anugraha likes to read books and listening to music. Next is Kumari Aditi Gupta. Aditi is the daughter of Mrs. Rachana Gupta and Mr. Alok Kumar Gupta. She is a 9th standard student of Podar International School, Nerul. Aditi started learning Bharatanatyam at the age of 9 under Guru Sri Udyogamandal Vikraman Pillai. Aditi has participated in several stage programs presented by her guru. Aditi took active participation in various school competitions. She secured first in essay writing competition. Twice she won second prize for Western dance. And coming back to her hobbies are singing, playing badminton, swimming, and she loves to read books. Next is Kumari Bhumi Burade. Bhumi is the daughter of Mrs. Pramila Burade and Advocate Shashank Burade. She is the 8th standard student of D.Y. Patil International School, Nerul. Bhumi started learning Bharatanatyam at the age of 8 under Guru Sri Udyogamandal Vikraman Pillai. She is also learning squash, badminton, and table tennis. Some of her achievements are first in squash competition. She stood first in handwriting competition, stood third in badminton competition, and stood second in singing competition. Her hobbies include reading historical, adventure kind of books, and she also loves to swim. Next is Kumari Shruti Bhatt. Shruti is the daughter of Mrs. Sujata Ashok Bhatt and Mr. Ashok Bhatt. She is a 7th standard student of Father Agnel School, Vashi. Shruti started learning Bharatanatyam at the age of 7 under Guru Sri Udyogamandal Vikraman Pillai. She is also learning classical music, drawing, slokas, and attending Chinmaya Bal Vihar classes. Shruti has also participated in several stage programs presented by her guru. Her hobby includes playing badminton and drawing. Now let me introduce you our guru, without which today's evening would not have been possible. Our Guru, Sri Udyoga Mandal Vikraman Pillai, is a member of a typical Orthodox Nair family of Haripad, Kerala. At the age of 8, he started learning Carnatic music under Guru late Sri Haripad Ramanguti Bhagavathar. When he was 12, he shifted to Udyoga Mandal FACT at Alway for learning Kathakali. He was the first student of Udyoga Mandal FACT Alway. After several years of rigorous training under Guru late Sri Kalamandalam Karunakaran and late Sri Kudamalur Karunakaran, he shifted to Mumbai in 1972 and started training students. His interest in Abhinaya made Guru Sri Ramaswamy Bhagavathar. In between, he went back to Kerala and got training in Mohiniyattam under Guru Srimati Kalamandalam Sugandhi. He established his dance institution, Kala Bhavan, way back in 1973. Today, he is giving training to more than 400 students in and around Mumbai and its suburbs. He has also choreographed many short and full dance dramas. Some of his masterpieces, based on the stories of Ramayanam, Mahabharatam, Unniyarcha, Shivaji Vijayam, Kurukshetra, etc., are widely appreciated. His recently choreographed dance drama, Bhaja Govindam, and Shankara Sagaram, based on the life story of Sri Adi Shankaracharya, has received a remarkable appreciation by the audience. The first ever opportunity to perform outside Kerala came to him through Darpana Academy, Ahmedabad, a well-known institution promotes Indian classical dances under the guidance of Dr. Mrinalini Sarabhai. He has also given many performances all over the country. He was invited to perform Kathakali at the prestigious dance festival Sursingar. He has performed at the Kala Ghoda festival too. He has also got the opportunity to perform with eminent Kathakali artists like late Sri Chenganur Ramampillai, Kalamandalam Ramanguti Nair, Kalamandalam Karunakaran Nair, Mangom Shivashankara Pillai, Kalamandalam Gopi, and many other renowned artists. He is a permanent member of Udyoga Mandal FACT. He has also staged many performances at the NCPA, that is National Center for Performing Arts. He has a long list of achievements and accolades to his credit. Ragasudha 2003 Best Guru Award, Yash Raj Kalaratna Puraskar, and Srishti 2007 True India Lifetime Achievement Award are some of the coveted awards he has received. He has also received Nada Vibhushanam by Nadopasana Music Dice and Sri Pukatagiri Rama Podwal Award. Latest, he has been conferred upon the Kalashri Award by Kerala Sangeeta Natak Academy on 18th May 2016. Today's accompanying artists are on the Natvangam, Guru Sri Udyoga Mandal Vikraman Pillai, vocal, Srimati Neeti Nair, Mridangam, Sri Venkatesh Prasad, violin, Sri Anand, flute, Sri C.R. Krishnan, Ghadam, Sri Venkatesh, makeup, Sri Murugan Papanangod, comparing myself, Srimati Kala Unnetan, light and sound, Sri Raju Naidu. Today, we start the Margam with a Pushpanjali. Pushpanjali is an offering of flowers to God. Pushpanjali is the first dance in a Bharatanatyam performance. It is the salutation to the Lord of Dance, Nataraja, the Guru, the musicians, and the audience. Pushpanjali in Ragam Natai set to Aditalam. This will be followed by Ganesha Kautvam in Ragam Natai set to Chadrashra Ekam, Nadesha Kautvam in Ragam Hamsadhvani set to Chadrashra Ekam, and Kartikeya Kautvam in Ragam Shanmukha Priya set to Chadrashra Ekam, followed by Alarpu. Alarpu means flowering of a bud. It is traditionally the first dance piece that Bharatanatyam dancers learn and perform in this type of classical dance recital. It is an invocation piece symbolizing the offering of respects to both God and the audience. Alarpu in Ragam Bhageshwari set to Tishra Ekam. Pushpanjali will be presented by all the four artists. Ganesha Kautam by Kumari Aditi and Kumari Shruti. Nadesha Kautam by Kumari Anugraha and Kumari Bhumi. Kartikeya Kautam by Kumari Aditi and Kumari Shruti. And Alaripu by Kumari Anugraha and Kumari Bhumi.
Ding ding kutam tam, ding kutam tam, kita takita kita takita kita takita kita 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 ding ding kutam tam, ding kutam tam, kita takita kita takita kita takita kita kita ding ding kutak tam, ding kutam tam, kita takita kita takita kita takita kita kita
tam tana tana dim dhimi dhimi tam tana tana dim dhimi dhimi tatti guttam tagum tari tatti guttam tagum tari tana 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 jumta jum dhimi dhimi tadim dim dim tagum tari tadim dim dim tagum tari tadim dim dim tagum tari मंगललय गणपतिये मंगललय गणपतिये मंगललय गणपतिये मंगललय गणपतिये मंगललय गणपतिये मंगललय गणपतिये मंगल रूप दयावरने मंगल रूप दयावरने मंगल रूप दयावरने मंगल रूप दयावरने ताई मंगललय गणपतिये मंगललय गणपतिये पूर्णमोदक नरप्रियने पाये पूर्णमोदक नरप्रियने पाये आनवर्षने अम्बरने आनवर्षने अम्बरने वर्णविशारदे निर्गुणपरने वर्णविशारदे निर्गुणपरने वर्णविशारदे
दिक तक तदिक तदक दे दे जय दे दे जय जय काम उदत्तु ता ताम तक तदक ता ताम तक तदक ता ताम तक तदक गुत्त किट्ट किन्न तंग कुत्ता तंग ग तंग कुक्कु तंग कुंगु तंग कुंगु दे तक तदक गुत्त किट्ट किन्न तंग तक ता दे ता तंग दे किट्ट तक दे ताम 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 तक तदक ता तक तदक टिकट तों टिक तों तारे किट्ट किट्ट तक
हरि तिरुमरुहने विघ्न विनाशक विजय कटरुणेय गणपति जय जय हरि तिरुमरुहने विघ्न विनाशक विजय कटरुणेय गणपति जय जय
किड उत्तरकटन तंग गिरक कुडु उत्तरकटन जय 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 जय
कादे कई दो कई आने मुघतब
तक 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 तक
देवक गणपति गणपति कौत्वं कच्छवर विनयरे
तक दिक तक 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 दिम 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 मित्त तक दिम दिम मित्त
कडवन मुनि जन सकल सुरा असुर संयुत पाद जन जन
जन्न
नूपुरलय गति विधि हरि से
तक ताम ताम तक
तांडवितंबर व्याघ्र चर्मधर